in the other video. So, we're going to add this, butter, sugar, and not very tasty, flour? I don't really remember. So, I'm going to cut this up. Well, at least go get a knife and cut it up. It's one of our new knives. Mama! Ta-da! Now, 1 minute. Because I'm starting to need, well, a wee-wee. So, see you in a minute. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back now. That might not have seemed like that slowly because I paused it, like I said, and then my mum put it back together. Like they had one house between them, and then the houses came back together. Forget whatever ever. So, while you were gone, I was quickly just mashing them up. Mashing them up. Yeah. Mashing the humans up. Yeah. Well, butter. My name is Butter. Daddy said, don't you look it. So I said, well, why not? What's that thing here? Oh, message. Boring messages. Anyway, there's not even my phone. Don't even need messages. Ugh, I don't even need messages. Messages. Silly old messages. Okay. Mummy, I need your help. No, I'm not. I'll try not to. Anyway. Do you think that's enough, Mummy? Look. Can you see? Do you think that's enough? Okay. If you said no, then I'm sorry, but I'm doing it. Because I didn't hear ya. No. I've made this song, right? I've made this song, and guess what? It goes like this. I've got 2 big bum cheeks. They're red and bumpy. And if you want to find them, they're at the back of me. They're right here now. Da 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 da. I like it. No. Yeah. No. Boo. This. Yes. Sugar. It's raining sugar. It's raining snow. It's raining snow. It's raining snow. No, I'm gonna put on the thing down. I'm gonna lick it. Mama. Pardon me, or pardon fly. Sounds. thinking of the things I could say to Mummy. Like, sorry, that wasn't on my fingers. That wasn't the thing. I didn't actually lick it. Just you believe me, just believe me. No, 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 no. Bow, 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 boom, boom. What did it say on the list again? I'm gonna get this off my Elsie. Now let's see. Good food. Ood, 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 ood. Said, you see, instructions are here. Now it says, bitter chilled and cubed. Caster sugar plus 1 tablespoon of sprinkling. It's this now, but no. I think it's fine. Let's just pour in there. I don't know. Anyway, you're gonna pour them all together, so of course it's fine. Of course it's fine. My mummy's here helping me now, and so is my sister. Yeah. Right here. Come on, Ellie. Hey.
She's got a baby with her.
I got. Wow.
Little head.
There's a little head. Not me.
Is it you?
Yeah.
Can you see Baba?
Yeah. A bowl. Now, where's it gone? Ah, here. Yeah. Roll. Eat. Holy. I'm gonna squish it down. Squash, squash, squish, mish, 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 mish,